Every dollar invested in UX research yields 100% return. Yet most teams struggle to run consistent research. Between recruiting participants, scheduling sessions, analyzing data, and sharing insights, research can turn into a bottleneck instead of bringing a competitive advantage. That is, if you don't have the right user research tool to streamline your research. Hi, my name is Alex, and welcome to UXtweak's channel. Today we're talking about user research tools. What makes a great research platform? Why does versatility matter so much? And which tools actually help streamline research? Let's dive in. User research tools are platforms that help you collect, analyze, and understand user behavior. They simplify your research process by automating data collection and generating insights. Instead of manually tracking every click or sorting through hundreds of survey responses, these tools do the heavy lifting, which gives you more time to focus on what really matters, uncovering deeper patterns, translating insights into actionable recommendations, and helping your team build better products. The best user research tools are versatile, which means they can handle multiple research methods such as usability testing, user interviews, surveys, and so on in one place. They might also have a dedicated participant panel for recruitment and repository-like functionalities, so you can organize all research insights in one place. Such tools standardize how data is gathered, stored, and analyzed. This ensures results are comparable across studies. This makes it easier to identify trends in user preferences and behaviors, validate findings, and communicate insights to stakeholders. Plus, if you work in a team, versatile user research tools help keep your research projects and insights better organized and easily accessible. Another benefit of versatile user research platforms is that you can also combine different research methods in one study. For example, you can run a usability test, immediately follow it up with a survey, and capture session recordings. Finally, versatile user research tools will help you with cost savings. Having one user research platform with an extensive toolkit is cheaper than having 3 different subscriptions. Now let's explore the top user research tools today. UXtweak is our top pick for comprehensive, all-in-one research with exceptional customer support. It covers virtually every research method you need: usability testing for websites, mobile apps and prototypes, card sorting, tree testing, surveys, sessions recording, preference testing, user interviews, and more. In UXtweak, you can set your studies to be either moderated or unmoderated, and record participants' faces, voices, and screens to gather an additional layer of insights into their behavior and thoughts and feelings. UXtweak also excels in supporting researchers with automated analysis. It generates visualizations of user behavior, identifies patterns within sessions, and calculates key research metrics. For example, during prototype usability testing, UXtweak identifies paths participants take and creates heat maps and click maps. And after user interviews, UXtweak generates AI-powered summaries of the interview sessions. As for recruitment, UXtweak offers great flexibility. You can share study links directly, use the built-in participant management system, add a recruitment widget to your website, or recruit through UXtweak's user panel with guaranteed response quality. Finally, after you're finished with the studies, you can export all your research insights to Condense, thanks to UXtweak's integration with this repository. Then there is UserZoom. This platform provides usability testing, surveys, card sorting, tree testing, and benchmarking capabilities. It includes access to a participant panel and offers consulting services for research planning. The platform is suitable for continuous research programs, but comes with higher costs and longer implementation timelines. The next tool we have to mention is Hotjar. Hotjar focuses on behavioral analytics with session recordings, heat maps, and feedback widgets. It integrates directly with your website to capture user interactions as they happen. The platform includes basic survey functionality or collecting user feedback, but does not provide solutions for card sorting or user interviews. Finally, we have Qualtrics, which offers advanced survey capabilities, feedback management, and statistical analysis tools. The platform handles large-scale quantitative research and integrates with enterprise systems. However, it's primarily survey-focused and might be lacking some features for qualitative research. Here's a quick comparison of what these versatile platforms offer. There we go. The right user research tool doesn't just make research easier. It makes consistent research actually possible. As we've covered today, versatility is what separates a good tool from a great one. When you can run usability tests, surveys, card sorting, and user interviews all in one platform, you're not just saving money on subscriptions. You're building a centralized research hub where insights are comparable, trends are easier to spot, and your entire team stays aligned. Look for platforms that offer multiple research methods, automated analysis, and flexible recruitment options. Whether you're running quick tests or comprehensive studies, the right tool should adapt to your research, not the other way around. Like and subscribe to watch more videos on all things UX related. See you next time.